This video covers the pre-review concept of function charts. Alright, so let's use this mouse point as a pen. So some facts to know. Function charts, or input or output charts, are charts that demonstrate the relationship that one value has with another value. So let's see, our hooks are quick points. First, we need to find the rule to a function chart before you attempt to complete it. So the rules that the input and the output are based on. And second, we need to test the rule on the existing values of the function chart. So if the rule looks like it does not predict the values on the chart, we look for another rule. So we try something, and if that doesn't work, then we try something else. So our example is here. Our input is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our outputs from that are 5, 10, something that we don't know, 20, and 25. So one thing to note is that the input is related to the output directly below it. So this 1 is related to the 5, this 2 is related to the 10, this 3 is related to this question mark that we don't know, this 4 is related to the 20, and the 5 is related to the 25. So in this case, we guessed that the input was multiplied by 5. So that means our rule is the input times 5. So based on that, our answer should be 15 because 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So next we have to test the rule. So our input is 1, so that's 1 times 5 gives us 5. Input's 2, 2 times 5 gives us 10. And we see that the rule is correct. So that means that 3 times 5 would give us 15. So now to do an example. So for this chart, we need to find the missing value in the function chart. So we look and we see that M is our input, and N is our output. Let's just close up that piece. Yeah, output. Okay, cool. So now we look, the 4 is associated with the 12, 5 with 15, and we need to find this question mark that's related to the 6. So one thing we can try is the rule M plus 8, since 4 plus 8 gives us 12. So we try that. Let's try it with 5. So if we do 5, we do M plus 8 for the input 5. 5 plus 8 gives us 13. Well, that's not right because 5 is supposed to give us 15. So let's clear that and try a new rule. So our new rule is, what else can we do to get 12 from 4? We can try 3 times 4, and that gives us 12. So then our rule in this case would be 3M, where M is the input. So we can try that for the number 5. So for the number 5, we'll have M is equal to 5. We do 3 times 5, and we get 15. So that's right. Let's try it with 7. So M is equal to 7, and we do 3 times 7, and 3 times 7 is 21. So it looks like this rule is correct. So now, erase this. We can try for M is equal to 6. So 3M is equal to 3 times 6, and 3 times 6 is 18. So that means that our rule is 3 times the input, and our answer for the missing value is 18. I hope that helps.